Good morning, dear students and parents. How are you? I hope you are all will be fine. Today, our subject is English workbook. Our topic is Unit 8, Moon Landing, page number 43. Let's open your page number 43. Moon Landing. The Man and the Moon, Aadmi or Chand. One evening, a man was fetching water when he saw the reflection of the moon at the bottom of the well. Startled, the man called out, "The man has fallen into my well. If I do not get it out, it will be the end of the world, and everyone will say it is my fault." Quickly, he tied a large iron hook to the end of a rope and lowered it down the well. When he thought that he could hook the moon, he began to pull on the rope. However, the hook got caught under a stone lying on the bottom of the well. The man pulled and pulled. He pulled with all his might. Suddenly, the hook dislodged the stone and flew back up the well shaft. The man fell flat on his back. "God be praised," he said, looking behind and seeing the moon in the sky. "It took a huge effort, but I have got it back where it belongs." ये जो यहाँ पे 1 2 3 दिए गए हैं, यहाँ पे आप लोगों को वर्ड्स दिए गए हैं पिक्चर में, ये आप लोग अपनी बुक्स पे लिखें और इसको रीड आउट करें। थैंक यू। अल्लाह हाफिज़।